Well, good morning, everyone. I am working on day 82. I pulled out a few things. I am just going to see where it takes me, as I always do. One of the things when I chose this particular project, I didn't want to spend a lot of time on each piece, so I made them small. The other thing, I gave myself permission to just put random pieces down just because I visually liked them. Sometimes the collage makes no sense at first. Sometimes it doesn't make sense ever. But for the most part, for some reason, when I grab up images, in the end, they kind of tell a little story. They might not, but they might. And since I'm doing 100 of them, I have some that do and some that don't. So it works just fine for me. As I said, I just look at things visually. If it makes sense to me visually, I'm happy with it. Well, if it doesn't make sense to me visually and I've done it, I'm not going to throw it away. It's a record of doing something that you know what you don't want to do again. So I certainly hope you've been enjoying this project. I hope that it isn't boring you to tears. And I'm going to work on this one and see where it takes me. So I'll talk to y'all later. Well, everyone, that's day 83. There's less than 20 days to go. There's less than 3 weeks to go for the project to be finished. I am to the point where I want it to be finished. I still have those 17 days to go, but that's okay. I'll make it. I've made it this far. I'm really pleased that I have made it this far. I haven't missed a day. So, that's a really good thing. Makes me proud of myself. I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book, and I'm going to go on and finish up the next project. Faint heart never won fair creativity. Faint heart never won fair creativity. Okay, sometimes. Alright guys, have fun, go make some art, bye-bye.